Hey y'all, I'm William from Latitude. Today I'm going to be giving y'all a simple tutorial about how to get an agent set up with our Copilot Latte. Now the cool thing about Latte is it doesn't require a lot of technical experience to be able to use. We can get an AI agent set up with just a simple natural language description. So the agent we're going to make today is going to go on the internet. It's going to search for the latest in AI research. It's going to grab that and it's going to post it as a report on a weekly basis to a Notion page. All right, so we already have the prompt prepared, so we're just going to paste that in the box right here. Okay, so paste it in, and then we're gonna hit send. Awesome. So now Latte is gonna get to brewing. We're gonna see its thought process here, and we're gonna see the prompts it builds, so the agents, appear over here on the left. And then in the center right here, we have the trigger. Awesome. So here's our orchestrator. Awesome. We have a researcher. It's gonna search the internet, and then a formatter to get it ready for Notion. Looking good. Okay, let's try it out. We're gonna go to preview in the top left. We're gonna hit run, and then we're gonna see if it works. Okay, we're searching the internet, that's good. Let's see, we should get to the, once that's done, we should get to the formatter. There we go, formatter. Okay, and it's sent over to Notion, and let's see. And it was a success, awesome. So let's go check Notion, and there we go. We have a report right here, awesome. So now we want that automized, so it happens once a week. So we're gonna go to triggers, we're gonna publish to production, and then we're gonna enable the trigger. And that is all. Now it's gonna be going on a weekly basis. Thanks for coming here and have fun making agents.